उधर नहीं शो है, इधर भी नहीं शो है. Finishing editing of my previous vlog. Abhi se Naisha will be there in a lot of vlogs from now onwards. Majority of them, because I'm not gonna travel out much, and if I'm at home, obviously this putty is also gonna be here. Arey, she's got brown hair. Naisha, you have brown hair. Oh. My hair is also a little bit brown. If you look at, see, basically whatever eyes color you have, the same color is gonna be your hair. That's what I heard somewhere. But your eyes are not brown. Your eyes are black. Full advancement. Now she's combing her own hair. Papa का भी comb करो. Comb करो पापा का hair. Okay, Naisha. Now you're not gonna disturb me. We're gonna do some unboxing. Okay? Okay, in my previous video I told you guys about a small thing that I got for this camera. I gave a lot of hype. Utna hype is not required. Simon Kutter is known to give a lot of hype, but I really, honestly, I feel excited about all these things. This is the thing that I took in the car that day. What? AC चल रहा है ना, और क्या? First important thing is a small memory card. I got 64 GB, a very high speed memory card, pretty expensive, 2500 rupees for this. Very important, I have a 64, actually I know I have to have like at least 128 GB or 256 GB, being a proper vlogger. All the time I'm vlogging. Sleepy, just now you slept na dude, but I think this gets my job done. Like I told you, I need 30 to 40 GB per day, and a 64 GB is already, we have like 20 GB of buffer. So let's unbox the main stuff. So finally got the VideoMic Pro Plus by Rode. This is the thing I wanted from a long time, literally from the time I started vlogging almost 3 years back, 4 years back. From that time onwards I wanted this particular mic. I mean, this was not released that time, but iska pehle aur ek tha which was also something similar to this. This is a huge setup. This is gonna be a huge setup, but I don't know about the quality. Abhi to almost like since the last 2-3 years I'm using this mic, which is pretty great. Best mics, even if you are planning to start vlogging or if you want a good shotgun mic, this is the best mic ever. This is called the Rode VideoMic, I think Go. Iske pehle there was a Rode VideoMic Pro. This is the Pro Plus. The problem is this is like almost 4 times the cost of what you're listening to right now. But when I put this, the cost is not going to be justified because the quality is not going to change by 4 times. Maybe a little bit, maybe 5% better voice quality. This is going to capture more of that bass notes in your voice. Let's unbox it, switch over to this and check if the quality is better than what you're listening to right now. It's a pretty huge mic. What are you doing? It's a pretty huge mic, but at least the camera looks professional now if I put this. And I don't know why I wanted this mic from a long time. I've saved like literally 3,000 per month. Honestly, listen to me, 3,000 per month I saved, and this is almost like 28,000. So Amazon gave me for a good discount. Finally, we have it here. You don't spoil the dabba already. Abhi kuch problem hai to return karna, dude. Chalo, let me do the switch over and let's see if anything is better. Sure, you're not supposed to do that. Don't do that. Put all this back, go. You get the mic, boring instruction manual. I think this is USB to, oh yeah, we need charging for this. But good thing, there's a battery in here. See this? I already put it. Good thing is you can put normal AA batteries in it. This is a rechargeable battery, amazing battery, because you get almost 100 hours of recording with this. You need to charge it via micro USB here. Then you have the mic mic output, sorry. And you have a couple of buttons here. I need to learn what each of this does. One thing I know for sure is there's a dB plus, dB minus button. That is basically the gain. So right now I'll just leave it like that. I don't want minus, I don't want plus. Neutral is good. So let's do the switch over and let's see if there is gonna be any difference in voice quality, alright? Because I've seen a lot of videos. Where they did the switch over. So let's do the switch over in 3, 2. Okay, same position. I hope my voice is getting captured. You don't touch anything. Is it much better than the previous setup? This is an old looking non-professional mic. This is a good looking professional mic, but it looks so huge. Now look at this whole setup. It's like humongous. For comparison, you can see that's Naisha and this is the camera, almost the same height. What I like about the new mic is it's got, you know what, I can talk like this. Speeches maybe I can talk and I can get my voice captured. For example, if I wanted to record, say, this is a Sony memory card, this is a remote, this is a iPhone Pro 11 Pro, this is a Sony TV, there is the Daikin AC, there is the Chotu Naishu. And kabhi we can give the intro. What's up, guys? Ho? And now, hope everyone is doing great. Actually, I forgot. I did not give the intro today. This is directly out of the box, and this is how it sounds. For now, I'm packing the old mic back into this. In case I had diya, to I'll be using the old mic because I don't want to stop my work just because I don't have a mic or a camera. That is the reason I didn't even sell the old camera. I have it like a Stepney. The thing is now the camera looks so weird because I'm used to vlogging with this dead cat all the time. Now the mic sits like really in the top. I have to get used to this setup now. It looks really weird, dude. It looks too huge. What are you doing? Even if you talk, you can capture your voice. Even if I talk, the voice is gonna get captured. How cool is that? This is deep fried chicken and that is my chicken pan fried.
With olive oil.
With olive oil. And as you can see, that is all perfect. The reason I'm saying this is not last week, 2 days back they took a shot, COVID shot. What is that? Covaxin. Covishield.
Yeah.
And actually a lot of people are saying that you get a lot of side effects and all that because of this, and that is the reason I wanted to make this video because dad took the shot and nothing happened absolutely. See, he's all perfect and fine, he's cooking. We thought something is gonna happen, like people complained about a little bit of cough and all that. Some people were getting fever, some people developed a cold. As you can see, he's all perfect. Not just dad, even mom is also perfect. Both of them took the Covishield. Next plan is me and Pooja are gonna take it. It seems for older people they're giving Covishield. For younger generation they're giving Covaxin because Covaxin is a little bit more powerful. This is what I wanted to clarify. See, mom is also perfect, no issues. The moment they took the vaccine, they came back home and they took a rest. Next day, mom went out also, no problem. I want to clarify this that nothing is gonna happen. Don't get scared because here is proof. Mom, dad, dono they took. నీకేమైనా అనిపించిందా మమ్మీ తీసుకున్నాక? తీసుకొని ఇంటికి వచ్చి రెస్ట్ తీసుకున్నా డాడీ.
పని చేశాను, రెస్ట్ లేదు, ఏం లేదు, నార్మల్ ఉండేది. ఓన్లీ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ పడుకున్నా, పారాసెటమాల్ తీసుకున్నా.
కానీ నీకు తెలిసిన వాళ్ళు కొంతమందికి ఏదో అయిందన్నావు కదా.
అంటే మోషన్స్, హై ఫీవర్ అయి ఉండే.
బేసిక్స్.
Both are same but short is
One clarification. One quick clarification. So I just said Covaxin is more powerful than Covishield. It's nothing like that. That is a rumor, it seems. Both are equally powerful.
Both are equally powerful.
Not powerful. Both are equal.
Same. They are both are same, but they
different
act
companies.
differently. Yeah, that's all.
They act differently.
Yeah, one is active actually. You send it to lab and kill, and inactivated form is sent into the body.
Okay.
That is one. The other one is directly active one.
Mm-hmm.
It's a scientific term which we don't need actually, but both work same way.
That is the
which
thing.
protects
Both
the
work same way.
Yeah.
And you need to book an appointment first for this, or even I can go and take it because me and Pooja are planning to go.
If you book, it is better because you can go on CoWIN app.
CoWIN app.
Government app, CoWIN app. Or else you can directly go with your Aadhaar card or some ID card.
You can directly go to the center.
Yeah.
You can give your Aadhaar card.
Immediately they register you and you will get a notification also. Once you are done, they send you that your first dose is done and your second dose will be scheduled on so and so date.
Oh.
So that notification.
So second
also
dosage will be after 35 days, 40 days.
Normally now they are giving 45 days. Previously it was 28 days.
So anyone can go and take it, or is there age limit?
No, age limit is there. Until today it is up to 60 plus only.
Okay.
But from 1st April I think 45 years plus they are giving.
Okay. तब से कोविशील्ड, कोवैक्सीन, कोविड बोल के I forgot mentioning about this. I'm having fish today. Pan fried fish with olive oil. Fancy stuff, you know. Exactly 280 grams. Precisely 280 grams. Today I'm not having chicken, bowl of chicken all the time. So tomorrow back to farm again. From Monday onwards I'll start having my grilled chicken. Sunday special घर में बन रहा grilled fish, pan fried fish. When Pooja is around, you should be very careful with these terms. It's not grilled, it's pan fried. Happy? Is this dad's recipe? mom's recipe. Both are good at making fish. Tomorrow is Holi. Are we doing anything for Holi? Play with water, plain water. No, we'll add some organic colors, no? Unfortunately, Naishu ko last night mild fever hai. Much better right now. But I think she's developing a cold. Nice. Now listen up very carefully. This is not to encourage anyone, not discourage anyone, not to even advise you guys to go and take the vaccine. It is just that, my parents were a little bit doubtful about taking the vaccine because there are a lot of different types of news that you're hearing nowadays, that you might have these side effects, you might have that side effects. Zero side effects as of now. It's been like, I think, 4 or 5 days till now. Usually I'm just reading on healthline.com, and the side effects typically start within a day or two of getting the vaccine and may include pain, redness or swelling at the injection site, fatigue, fever, chills, headache, body aches and pains, nausea. See, all these are maybe. They're not saying it is for sure, and none of this can even happen. Like, my parents did not have anything, absolutely zero. Chalo, as I share most of the stuff that's going in my life, I wanted to share this as well. Please, if you have some complications, it is definitely recommended to take consultation, take a professional's help, take a specialist, a doctor. If you have any health issue, it is advisable to take a proper consultation before taking the vaccine. This is no way I'm encouraging anyone, nor am I discouraging anyone from doing so. It is up to your own will if you want to take the vaccine. So then, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Oh, by the way, I forgot. Is the voice much better? Is it a little bit bassier than my previous videos? You people watch me every day, so you people should tell me. I think it is a little bit better. The hiss and all that, the background hiss that used to be in the previous mic, it is not there in this, and even the voice is a little bit complete now, right? I hope so.